What's up, guys? I am Kat and I am in Miami in Wynwood. I'm going to switch it up this time and show you guys around Wynwood Walls. These are just some of the graffiti art you can find. I'm going to put that on the text below so you guys can see it. So this is on Northwest 26th Avenue. No, Northwest 26th Street and Northwest 2nd Avenue. So this is a big one here. Guess who I found, guys? I found Fuzi. So Fuzi is an artist that did this design, and everywhere you see like the blue, he did all of this blue design all in one go. And the black, he did this all in one go as well. And that's really cool, right? It's kind of like an interrupted thought. But it's really intricate, and I mean it's just amazing because it's like covering the entire wall. I mean, that's amazing, right? That the intricacy of it is so cool. This is the Museum of Graffiti, as you can see. So if you want to check it out, this is where it is. All right, so this is on Northwest 26th Street. This is by Felipe Pantone. He's an Argentinian Spanish artist. His stuff is really abstract. Like, it's got some, abstraction, of course, graffiti, some typography on some of his works. But this one's kind of cool for a backdrop as well. So it's kind of a ultra modern aesthetic. Kind of cool. And if you see these, this is by Atomic. He is a Miami-based artist. So if you see any of these things, you know it's Atomic. It's all over the place in Miami. Just so you know. All right, this is North Miami Avenue and Northwest 25th Street. There's a stretch of some stuff here. This is another option. But honestly, I think most of the stuff is on Northwest 2nd Avenue, I believe. That's where all the big stuff is. But yeah, there's a lot on this street too. So if you guys really want that graffiti look, you can check it out here as well. Salvador Valley. I don't know. You guys could even just park here. Like if you're short on time, you can just park here and yeah, get some shots. Pretty cool, right? All right, and just outside of that, this is the corner of Northwest 5th Avenue and Northwest 24th Street. So yeah, this would make awesome shots. I love the colors. The colors are awesome on this one. So it stretches pretty long, but once again, if you only have a short time in Wynwood, because there's a lot to do in Miami, this is another one that I will go to, and you will see these very retro classic lettering for all your photo and Instagram needs. And this is a really cool one. I mean, there's so many details in here. You can see, if I move a little closer, you can see a lot of texture. You see some like reflective light, some ambiance, occlusion. This is a really, really well done one. Awesome. This one's really cool too. It looks almost 3D. You see the eye and the mouth. That's little things you look for. That's really cool. So here's a few more murals, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know that it's kind of fun to just wander around Wynwood and discover new murals. And just a note too, these murals do change. So whatever you see on Google Maps or on blogs and whatever, just know that it might not be there when you get there. It's happened to me before. So just do your research, but don't 100% count on the mural being there because they do change. And if
if you get hungry while walking around and looking at all these murals, just know that the food here is not going to be the cheapest because Wynwood is known for being a really touristy area. But to help you with this, I did make 2 videos on budget-friendly eats in Wynwood. So if you want to check it out, you can see my playlist here. And if you like travel and food guides, please subscribe and stay tuned.